So if you're looking to live on a budget and you want to be located in central Kuala Lumpur with a lot of shopping malls and food places around, then this would be one of the recommended places. So the Bed Capsule Hotel is located inside the pavilion, near to the pavilion inside Fahrenheit Mall. It's a mixed sharing dorm where you'll be sharing the room with 8 people. The room is quite cozy, and you also get some storage space, which you can see now. So you won't be able to store your suitcase here, but you are able to store your personal belongings. You get a key as well so that you can lock it. But you can store your luggage like how I have at the corner of the bed. So you can order room service twice a week. In the washroom side, you'll find a dryer. You'll find the ironing board as well. There's a prayer room as well if you want to pray, and of course there are multiple showers and multiple washrooms as well. I stayed here for 6 nights, so this will approximately cost you around 20 US dollars. Another benefit of this place is that they offer free breakfast every morning, and there's a pantry area as well with all the kitchen amenities. So if you're bringing your own food, you can always store it in a fridge and warm it as well because they have a microwave available.